For 50 years, Matthew 25 has been a lifeline for uninsured adults, providing free, compassionate healthcare rooted in dignity, service, and faith. What began with a small prayer group in 1975 has grown into one of the strongest safety net clinics in our region. What began with simple screenings quickly became essential care for people with nowhere else to turn. And with every passing year, our mission only grew stronger. By 1979, a dental clinic was established. In 1988, all services were brought under one roof. Later expansions, in 2006 and again in 2016, added specialty clinics, mental health counseling, chronic disease education, and modern technology that allowed Matthew 25 to meet the growing needs of the community.
Matthew 25 is important to me because every single person that walks through that door, we're able to provide hope, health, and healing with dignity and respect for individuals that come to us at a time where they are the most vulnerable. We all take our health for granted until you're sick. The patients that Matthew 25 sees on a regular basis are at their sickest. Even though I don't have hands on the patients and I'm not physically seeing them as a dentist or a doctor, every decision we make, every choice we have helps someone in need. You're very humbled by all the needs of the people in the community that come here because they have so many things going on in their lives. They may need childcare, they may have been abused, maybe they need housing or food. There's so many other needs that these patients have, that when they're healthy, they can address those other needs.
Today, more than 350 volunteers, including medical providers, dentists, students, vision specialists, mental health professionals, interpreters, and support staff, make it possible for us to deliver care at no cost to patients. Together, they contribute over 16,000 volunteer hours each year, alongside more than 100 community partners. Local organizations, hospitals, and ministries working together to extend care beyond our walls. Each year, we also help train over 150 medical and dental students, equipping the next generation to serve with skill and compassion. With more than 25 specialty clinics, Matthew 25 continues to serve thousands annually with compassion and excellence. We serve a 15-county region across Northeast Indiana and Northwest Ohio, providing more than 32,000 patient visits each year. That includes more than 13,000 dental procedures annually, restoring health, relieving pain, and improving quality of life. In total, we deliver over $12 million in healthcare services each year on a $2.9 million operating budget, demonstrating the extraordinary impact of accessible preventive care. Every dollar invested generates an estimated 10 to 14-fold return, reducing reliance on emergency rooms and strengthening the health of our entire community, creating healthier individuals who are able to work and contribute their skills and talents in our community.
I'm a retired family physician, 33 years, and I just got tired. I couldn't work full-time anymore. I was sneaking naps at lunchtime, and I knew I had to quit, but I loved my patients and I wanted more patient contact, and I thought maybe I had a little more to give. I'm here 2 half days a week. When we talk about treating a whole patient, this is a religious community too. We assess their religious needs, we assess for depression, anxiety, we talk about some terrible home situations. They need their health addressed, but they need it addressed in a respectful way.
I have a great story about a patient that her life was completely changed by her care here at Matthew 25. She came in, she held her head down, she didn't want to talk, she was very shy and very reserved and really in a lot of pain. We had to extract a lot of teeth, we did a lot of fillings, we made some partial dentures and a denture, and the day we delivered her denture, she was so happy. She was crying and she was talking. And then when she came back for her follow-up visit after that, she was beaming from ear to ear. She was so excited about life and she had gotten a new job.
Some stories define the heart of Matthew 25 more than words ever could.
I hurt myself, and that took me from my job, and I didn't know I was a diabetic. So I came, didn't know what I was doing, I walked in, filled out the application, and it was like something out of the ordinary. They took me back there, they examined me, and before I left, I was a patient. I had an appointment to come back to see the doctor. Matthew 25 is a building, but it's the people inside that makes Matthew 25. It's the love that you get, the love that you feel. I feel love, I feel light. I've come from being a patient, a volunteer, now an employee. So you know I must love something about it because I'm still here.
For 50 years, Matthew 25 has shown what is possible when compassion, community, and commitment come together. As we celebrate this milestone, we honor our past and step forward with renewed dedication to serving those who need us most. I was sick and you cared for me. This mission continues because people choose to respond. Join us through your time, your gifts, or your support, and be part of healing in our community. Matthew 25, 50 years of compassionate care.